To add the Spectrum TV app to your Firestick, start by navigating to the home screen of your Firestick device. From there, click on the search icon and type in Spectrum TV using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Spectrum TV app from the search results and click on it to open its details page. On the details page, click on the Get or Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click on the Open button to launch the Spectrum TV app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum credentials, including your username and password. Enter your credentials and click on the Sign In button to access the app. If you do not have a Spectrum account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you will have access to the full range of Spectrum TV content, including live TV, on-demand movies and shows, and your DVR recordings. You can navigate through the app using your Firestick remote, and you can also use the voice search feature to find specific content. To ensure a smooth viewing experience, make sure your Firestick is connected to a stable internet connection and that your Spectrum TV subscription is up to date. You can also customize the app settings to suit your preferences, such as setting up parental controls or adjusting the video quality. By following these steps, you can easily add the Spectrum TV app to your Firestick and start enjoying your favorite TV shows and movies. Remember to always keep your app and device software up to date to ensure the best possible performance.